Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and tricks on how to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 per month from dividend passive income in 2024. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's actually very possible and achievable if you follow the steps I'm going to share with you in this video. So, let's get started. Dividend passive income is basically money that you earn from owning shares of companies that pay dividends. Dividends are payments that companies make to their shareholders as a way of rewarding them for investing in their business. Dividends are usually paid quarterly or annually, and they can vary depending on the company's performance and profitability. Dividend passive income is one of the best ways to make money online because you don't have to do anything to earn it. You just buy the shares once and then sit back and watch the money roll in every month. But how do you make $1,000 per month from dividend passive income in 2024? Well, there are two main factors that determine how much money you can make from dividends: the dividend yield and the amount of shares you own. The dividend yield is the percentage of the share price that the company pays as dividends. For example, if a company pays $2 per share as dividends and the share price is $100, then the dividend yield is 2%. The higher the dividend yield, the more money you can make from dividends. The amount of shares you own is simply how many shares of the company you have bought. The more shares you own, the more dividends you will receive. So, to make $1,000 per month from dividend passive income in 2024, you need to find companies that have high dividend yields and buy as many shares as you can afford. But how do you find these companies? Well, there are many websites and apps that can help you with that. One of my favorites is Dividend.com, which is a platform that provides information and analysis on dividend stocks. You can use Dividend.com to search for companies by sector, industry, market cap, dividend yield, dividend growth, payout ratio, and more. You can also see the dividend history, dividend calendar, dividend news, and dividend ratings of each company. One of the features that I really like about Dividend.com is the dividend screener, which allows you to filter and sort companies based on your own criteria. For example, if you want to find companies that have a dividend yield of at least 5%, a dividend growth of at least 10%, a payout ratio of less than 50%, and a market cap of more than $10 billion, you can use the dividend screener to find them. You can also save your screener settings and get email alerts when new companies match your criteria. Once you have found some companies that meet your requirements, you need to do some research on them before buying their shares. You need to check their financial statements, earnings reports, news articles, analyst ratings, and other sources of information to make sure they are stable, profitable, and reliable. You also need to diversify your portfolio by investing in different sectors and industries to reduce your risk and increase your chances of success. After you have bought your shares, you need to monitor them regularly and reinvest your dividends. Reinvesting your dividends means using your dividends to buy more shares of the same company or other companies that pay dividends. This way, you can increase your number of shares and your dividend income over time. Reinvesting your dividends is one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. So, there you have it. That's how you can make $1,000 per month from dividend passive income in 2024. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this strategy or if you have any questions or suggestions for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.